this is the full spiel of the Janelle skirts. If you guys haven't checked out Eryn yet from Styles to Me, go ahead and check her out. She is really awesome, and I think you guys will enjoy her videos just like I have. Hi everybody, and welcome back to my channel. This video will be dedicated to Eryn and her pattern of the Janelle skirt. I am not going to talk about how I am sewing it or the steps to sew it, because Eryn does have a sew along video for not only this pattern but for all of her patterns. So if you are interested in knowing how to sew this skirt, go ahead and check out her sew alongs. Her YouTube link will be down in the description box. And also more information about her. I wanted to just talk to you guys about how she influenced me to not only continue to sew, but take myself seriously when it comes to sewing and running a business. I did have a business of weighted blankets, and I would make and sell them. I started from scratch, and Eryn as well. She started her business from scratch. She started her business from nothing, and she just took herself seriously, and that is what she shared with me on not only on her YouTube videos but on her podcasts. And she just grinded, you guys. And the biggest thing that she taught me, honestly, was not only to take myself seriously, but to learn how to say no. It's so scary when you're first starting a business and, people are trying to lowball you, or they want to do this or that, or they want to do things for free, or friends just want the homie hookup. And it's like, no. Like, I'm broke. Like, you need to pay me my money. And that is basically what she put into my brain. Just because so and so is this, so and so is that, or just because they're this, you have to just learn how to say no. Because in the beginning, people wanted me to sew curtains and a blanket and sew it for whoever, and I was working nonstop. I was working myself to hate sewing and to not like it. And that's partially the reason why I took a huge break from it, is because I was so burnt out. And she gave me the opportunity to just be like, it's okay to say no. You know what I mean? You're not supposed to make people happy. You're supposed to make your income happy. She basically gave me the strength to just be like, it's okay. You know what? No, I can't sew this blanket. I can't sew for $50 this 10-pound weighted blanket. Sorry, bye. And she gave me the freedom to just not feel guilty about it, or not feel pressured, or when somebody says no, it's just like, sayonara. I'm tend to those that do want to pay the price. And that's what really inspired me to keep going and to change my prices. And then eventually, though, I did stop sewing the blankets. She also recommended books, and she just hustled, man. And that is what pushed me to be where I'm currently at right now, which is still the beginning of my sewing journey. And it has inspired me not to stop sewing and to continue, and to make my pieces with love, effort, and time, and to enjoy each process. And that takes a lot, you know what I mean? And here I am, a couple years later, and she still inspires me to this day. And she's just not here for the BS. She loves the fun and everything, but at the end of the day, this is her business, and it makes me respect her that much more. Does that make sense? She's in it for fun, but at the end of the day, she has a goal. And that's inspiring. I don't care who you are, And here is the finished product, and I am feeling myself in it, and I love it, and I feel beautiful. And yeah, stay tuned, guys. But yeah, this is the finished skirt, and I absolutely love it, and I can't wait to continue to make more, because these will become a staple in my wardrobe. Yeah, real quick, I did end up going to Savers this week, but I only got 3 items because I already have I have like 3 or 4 pieces of fabric that I want to work on before I start purchasing fabric again, and there will be a haul coming soon. It's just that I want to make sure that I don't overconsume.
I'm going to try my hardest not to go a little crazy, but yeah, so this
is I found this at Savers for, again, both of these were 50 cents, and it's the Simplicity 8090. I don't know if you guys remember, but I bought this one a while ago, maybe last month, and I really loved this top, and I got this pattern at Savers because I thought it was this top, but it's not. And I found this one, and it has a similar top like that, so I'm very excited. And it has like a cute like a cute crop top that's not too showy, and not, you know, it's more of a mom style, kind of like that I like to wear. And then I found this, the Simplicity 1465, but I have been wanting one of these for such a long time. I have one posted as inspiration, and I have seen, you know, tutorials on how they make them, but I just don't understand them. So I'm very excited to be making this one soon, you know, soon. And then this is the fabric that I found, and I'm actually going to make, you guys know that my next video is actually going to be dedicated to Lisa, and I don't think her last name is Kenish. I think it's just Quiche.
Lisa Quiche. So, you know, that's why now I'm just going to say their first name and link their information down below, because I am not a good, you know, pronouncer person. I'm not.
But so the next video is going to be dedicated to her and the Sew House 7, and I'm going to be sewing this one and this one. So they are pretty easy. They're not, you know, difficult, and it's really easy to follow. This one I believe is only like the front, the back, and the sleeves. Like, that's it. And then this is just, this one is a little bit more pieces, but again, it's really easy. Like, they're a quick, this one is probably like a quick 45-minute sew, and this one is probably about an hour just because it has more pieces. And this one is the fabric that I found, and I want to make the version 2. So I want to make this one out of this. Look how pretty. And there's, I don't know if you guys can see it, but it shines like in the light. Maybe it's this side that will shine. It's not shining. Why aren't you shining for me? But see, but it's like, I don't know. I'm hoping that I chose the right fabric for it. You know, it's thin, but it's like really soft and a little thick. Like, I don't know, it just feels like really strong, but stretchy. Like, it's a one-way stretch, so it stretches this way, but it doesn't stretch this way. It's a little bit, but not too much. It's not too much of a give. This one was actually $5, but again, I got it at half off, so it was only $2.50. And it's like 2 yards and 2 inches, so it's perfect for this one. And I might have some left over, and we'll see what I decide to make out of it. Maybe another cute t-shirt crop top, you know, that I've been practicing because I need my practice. But yeah, I've also been tagged on the seamstress tag, and I'm very excited because I actually did the seamstress tag a while ago, like a year and a half ago maybe, and I was tagged by Mane Coarse, Mane Coarse.
Mane Coarse. Mane Coarse? I don't know.
Mane Coarse, but I hope I'm saying that right too. You actually did, if you're watching this, you actually did say my name correctly. A lot of people don't know how to say my last name. They always say something weird like Linares, but it is actually Linares, so thank you.
But she tagged me, and
I don't know who to tag because everyone that I watch now has actually made their seamstress tag. So if you haven't been tagged yet and you want to make it, leave a comment below and I will tag you. I will probably save that video until next week. That way I have enough people that have watched that want to be tagged. If you haven't, if you are stuck with a lot of sewing projects and you want to post a video but you're not ready to post a video yet, the seamstress tag is an awesome video because, you know, it gets you to think about your items.
So if you guys haven't been tagged in the seamstress tag, or you guys haven't done it and you guys are wanting to,
go ahead and leave a comment down below that you want me to tag you, and I will tag you. I am hoping that at least 2 people comment so that I can tag them, okay?
But yeah, other than that, you guys, I'm sorry for looking all burnt. You know, it's not even summer yet, and I'm already going to be 50 shades of brown.
I'm always all these shades of brown during the spring and summertime. But yeah, anyways, you guys, thank you guys again so much for watching. Stay tuned for my next videos, and I will see you next time, okay? Don't forget to hit that like button and to subscribe. Don't just watch me, you guys. You know, you guys have no idea how much subscribing is actually so helpful. You know what I mean? Have you done your good deed for the day? If you haven't subscribed, that is an easy good deed for you today, okay? But yeah, other than that, you guys, bye, and thank you guys again.